Hey everyone, Lakwatserong Pinoy here, and today we're finally unboxing my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone has been generating so much buzz, and I'm stoked to finally get my hands on it. Let's dive in. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited too. Look at this packaging, so sleek and premium. Let's see what Samsung has included. Wow, the phone itself is even more impressive in person. That display is gorgeous. What do you think of the packaging? Let me know in the comments. The build quality is amazing. This thing feels incredibly solid in my hand. Check out that curved display. It's stunning. And look at the size of this camera bump. We're going to be testing this out thoroughly. What's your favorite design so far? Let me know below. Let's look at the accessories. We've got the fast charger, a USB-C cable, and what I'm most excited about, the S Pen. I've heard amazing things about the responsiveness and precision. Are you a fan of the S Pen? Let me know in the comments. Time to fire this things up. The boot up is super fast. The interface is clean and intuitive. I'm already impressed by the smoothness and responsiveness. What's your favorite thing about Samsung interface? Share your thoughts. Let's put the camera to the test. Wow, the detail is incredible. The colors are vibrant and the low light performance is amazing. The S25 Ultra deviates from the boxier designs of its predecessors, adopting a more streamlined aesthetic. Samsung has incorporated smoother, rounded corners and flat edges, resulting in a more ergonomic and visually appealing device. This design transformation not only enhances comfort during use, but also aligns seamlessly with the unified aesthetic of the Galaxy S25 series. The S25 Ultra features a robust build with a Grade 5 titanium frame and Corning's Gorilla Glass Armor 2, offering improved scratch resistance and impact protection. It's also 15 grams lighter than its predecessor, now weighing 218 grams. This weight reduction, along with its dimensions of 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 millimeters, makes it easier to handle. The S25 Ultra continues Samsung's legacy of outstanding displays, boasting a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a Quad HD Plus resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels. Its adaptive 120Hz refresh rate ensures fluid visuals for any activity, while a peak brightness of 2600 nits and an anti-reflective coating guarantee excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Samsung has also reduced bezel thickness by 15%. Slightly increasing the screen size and delivering a more immersive viewing experience without adding bulk to the device. The Samsung S25 Ultra's camera system is exceptional, featuring a versatile set of lenses and cutting-edge technology to meet every photography need. It delivers outstanding image quality across all lighting conditions, with natural colors and remarkable detail. Low-light photography is particularly impressive, thanks to advanced sensor technology and sophisticated image processing. The versatile lens setup includes a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide macro lens, a 200-megapixel wide-angle, and dual telephoto lenses, 50-megapixel and 10-megapixel, delivering impressive zoom capabilities while maintaining sharpness and clarity. The front camera retains its 12-megapixel sensor with an f2.2 aperture, delivering crisp and vibrant selfies. Its video recording capabilities are equally impressive, supporting 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for both casual users and professional content creators. Alright, time to give my new Samsung S25 Ultra some love and protection. I'm using a screen protector which I bought from Jarir. It's supposed to be super easy to put on, and so far, so good. No crazy bubbles, which is always a win. Now for the case. This was bought also from Jarir. One looks pretty solid. Snapped right on, and everything seems to line up perfectly. My phone's all set to handle whatever I throw at it. My Samsung S25 Ultra has incredible cameras, so protecting them is a must. I've bought one camera lens protector here from Jarir. It's designed specifically for the S25 Ultra, so it fits perfectly. A quick clean, a careful application, and done. My camera lenses are now safe from scratches and bumps. So what is your initial thoughts? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is absolutely stunning. I'm blown away by the display, the camera, and the overall performance. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and notification bell. If you're looking for the absolute best in smartphone technology, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a compelling option. Its sleek design, powerful performance, and advanced camera, all driven by smart AI, deliver a fantastic user experience. Although it lacks expandable storage and some S Pen features, it remains a top contender for those who prioritize a premium, high-performance device. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerful and versatile smartphone that offers a premium user experience. Its refined design, exceptional camera capabilities, and seamless AI integration make it a top choice for demanding users who want the best of the best.